Hey guys, this is Ronnie with Great Choice Audio Video, and today we are hanging a 70-inch LG TV with a soundbar from Sonos. And here soon we'll come back with a custom tone cover that actually fits the edges of the TV, will blend in and make the soundbar look like it fits the TV. With that being said, that's what's going on up here on the front wall is TV, soundbar, and in the rear here we'll have a pair of Play Ones. We'll put those in the ceiling using these widget caddies here. So I'll go ahead and open one up and you can kind of see what they look like. Basically, if you've ever seen any in-ceiling speaker, you've seen these type of dog ears or something similar to it that either screw down or you crank down with your hands like these. And then you take this all apart, slide the speaker in there and then put it back together. And just like any and pretty much all speakers nowadays have a magnetic grill. So it's just got a magnetic right to it. So you'll have your Sonos LS1s in the rear. And the reason we did the LSs is because they do not have voice activation. You shouldn't need voice activation for your rear speakers. So with that being said, we have the one there, soundbar, and the TV, and both our widgets down here. And this is our mount that we like to use. It's a strong mount. And in here in the kitchen / dining room area, since it's such a close area, we're just gonna do one here in the middle. And we did the Sonos One with voice control. So they can say, Alexa, play music. So, stay tuned. And we'll show you the finished product or as we're going on too. Hey guys, it's Ronnie back here at this house. We just got the in-ceiling widgets done with the Sonos Play Ones in here. And then we got the TV up with the sound bar. Like I said, we're coming back to add the tone case later once it comes in. So we'll have that and we'll fix that up later. And then we have the Play One in here with Alexa control ready to go. Remember, like the channel and subscribe.